Officer, oh, you deal with my son, so is what happened?
You know, say up on the beach, me find the boy I go on in a bag of things. And I couldn't even carry me on station. I told me know you, and a long time I know you. And I know you personally too.
All right, officer. Make him go in and make me talk. Oliver, go inside.
It's them behavior there. And if you control him. Else I don't dial is I don't one of them funeral places them I go. I don't there probably have to go pick him. So I know you in a Stacy. And I don't care about the station now. Hey boy up a beach, a thief off the people and things and he still man a bad up the people them up there.
Me not beat my pitney, and I saw me deal with him. Me not beat him like none at all. I make him do anything what him want to do. Yeah.
That is the reason he's like that. And that is the reason why enough youth in Jamaica is like that. They don't have a right big mother around them to take care of them and guide them. You see me? So everything him do, they put up it. But the next time I tell her Stacy, me not care him come here come get you know Stacy, me I tell her, you know, you probably have to go hate me after that, I probably know you want to give me nothing again.
No talk to him, I pitney down. So when I go in, me talk to him and then me link up and you know how it go.
So you go on, you know, we know what you think come on. But anyways, we are run good on stations, eh? Cause we have a lot more mission, but talk to him, cause I don't want to make you have to carry him down this, so go have to put him down, you know.
What that little boy I love walk about some man? Hello?
Yeah.
You not hear me call your phone? Why me cannot answer your phone? What you mean nothing? Little boy, where you come out of the yard for? What you mean you not come out? What you say? You go link your friend?
Yeah.
I mean leave the money in my house and come back and see it. What happened to it? So you think say me no know say and him did up there? Where the money when me left on the table? You not trouble it?
No.
Okay, well me and you have to go sort out that. Come in the yard. Alright, make sure me wait for you, you know, make sure you come in the yard. You hear me? Okay. Yes. Officer Garden. A pansy. You have any time where you know spare time where you can come meet me around my yard? That's something I want to talk to you about. I don't really want to tell you on the phone, you understand? Alright, where you say you can come? I mean which pansy? Pansy will live around a blue garden there, so. Yes, alright. Alright, yeah man, thanks. You're not listening, you don't know when you listen, you don't know ears. Eh? You're not listening, man. Your ears too hard. You feel listen when people talk to you.
So you say I go on now?
Me have my money put down in my house. And him have one thiefing friend live down the road. Come up here and thief my money. What I must do about it because I need it back.
So far him lived?
You don't live too far from your son, you know?
Not have to drive though.
You don't have to drive a walking distance. You just live
Alright, come on.
down there so.
Come show me where him live.
Come.
It's on the far if you want.
Police! Don't move. Don't move. Somebody seven down here. Same thief some money.
Don't thief no
Listen to me, get up.
So you know say I empty for money.
Want some now? Stand up over here.
Yo, who you dealing to you?
Stand up over here.
Don't mind that, no man.
Stop talking.
What is? Watch out now. Can't lock you up now. I can't lock you up too.
Wow.
Listen to me now.
I never did know about that movie.
I mean, I never did know about this man. So what are you doing here? So what are you doing here? Now you him live here.
Me don't live here.
You see him? And if you control him. Here? You see part where I go down? It's not a good part. Same father, my half and father.
Me nah go catch him.
If I say something again, I carry good conversation. If you laugh with me again either, met me there.
Listen, we could just hear what him saying.
Met me there.
And make him talk. Him is a police.
Met me there.
Make him talk. Stand up here, so.
Listen to me. The same father, him wanted for a couple murder and a couple thieving. And him like him go down the same part. We're not afraid to shoot him.
My beer father you talk about no call him beer father name them way the man.
Hear me I say. The lady out there, so I'm give back the lady her money.
Mommy, you know something like police already enough.
Come on, man. Have this time now. Just control him, here. Control him. Me search everywhere in there. I'm not seeing no one. You sure say I seen take it?
Me no see when he take it.
Why me search everywhere.
Yo. Him alone I go for me yard to my son when me not did you know. And he thief. That the boy the thief out milk out of coffee. Me no want him at my yard. And any day me come at my yard and come see him there. You know not like him, me want to know so me report you know.
Boy Pansy, I wish me could have helped him. But that can't go out.
So I saw my money I just go down my dream.
Why? Me search everywhere, as I say. Everywhere. Speak and span. Come on, we go up a yard and try to see if we can figure this out.
Him alone go at my yard when me not did you know and we up there play with my son. And he thief.
Sorry for meet at such a location because they might do some renovation down at your office. So that's one of the reasons why we come here. So, but like the people in for the restaurant, them have some burial them a deal with because them normally think them they're there. So your sister. Normally, me not really take on them little petty case, you know. But because a friend of your sister is a good friend of mine, and because of him make me, I do this for your sister, and then you too. You understand? Because we know your father a long time. But as me I say, give me some more information on what happened between your sister.
Well, my sister Candy, her husband dead. And them no find anybody. And she them are accused for it. Right now she gets sentenced for it. And I know say she innocent.
So was she there at the time when them say her husband dead?
Yes. She and her husband live together, you know. And one day she come in from work and go find pure blood in her house. Yes. And police find a knife with her fingerprint on it, so them accuse her, say she.
But I mean, the two of them live together. And the knife in the house where them live, did they? So the knife can depend, but them find it.
She, no, nobody no find. She innocent. Cause if I did she would have did tell me. Cause we know what type of person she be in.
Alright, tell her.
If she do it, she wouldn't hide it from me.
Alright, tell her. I'm gonna speak to your sister and get more information, get the real information from she.
Yes.
And then we can start the investigation from this. Alright?
Yes.
So, don't worry yourself, mom. Because me deal with big case. So this is not nothing for me deal with. Because it can be anything, you know. It can be a foul play between the husband. The husband probably want to scam something, so he might try to fake him one debt or something like that. But as I say, we get into it. You see?
Exactly. Worse like when you know so my sister have a little food, you know.
As I say, me deal with big case. Like with big criminal. Like grooming criminal, like a government them want to do some illegal stuff. Yeah, but we not mostly work for the CIA. Alright? But sorry for me this way, but I have to run, you see?
No way, thank you for your time.
Yeah, man, take care of yourself.
I appreciate it.
Alright, me I'll chat to your sister.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah. Yes, Miss Candy. I spoke to your sister earlier, you know. But she did tell me the story, but she never did tell me it straight. So give me a little rundown on the whole situation.
Sir, me meet this man. Me end up fall in love with him. Oh, all right. My sister never liked the man. You understand? She not like him, no at all, but me did love the man. So me end up married this man because me love him. Anyway, one day me leave and gone out. When me come back, I'm looking at the house. Me see knife, blood, split, splash all over the place. In a living room, everywhere. Blood upon the knife, everything. So the only thing when me could do because me catch a fright, me not understand why me go see blood in my house. Me just call the police. So when me call the police now and the police them come, them take up all the evidence. Sir, me don't know who you be, if you're a liar, investigator, or whatever, but I am not guilty. Me not guilty. I would never kill my husband.
All right, Miss Candy. So what you trying to say? Is your sister kill your husband?
No. Would never do that.
Well-
Neither my sister.
Well, it can be a lot of reasons, you know.
Neither me nor my sister don't kill him. Me just
So-
come home and see pure blood and knife and everything and me just sketch a
All
fright.
right, let me get this straight. Let me get this straight. So, where is the body of your husband?
Sir, if I came home and I did not see my husband in the house,
You don't see him,
No.
you just see blood.
I could not know where my husband's body is.
All right, so how you know, say, are your husband, was it his blood or you know, say, a fiend blood? You normally taste him blood?
No, listen. I leave my husband there. When I came home back, my husband is missing and I see pure blood. I tried to call him on the phone, no answer. So my mind told me that maybe somebody came there and killed him after I left. I do not know what went wrong or whatever. All I have to do, I just call the police. That's what I get done. And then
All right,
he
don't
end up
worry
in a
yourself.
jail
Don't worry
now.
yourself. Don't worry-
It's something when me not guilty of.
All right, don't worry yourself. We work with big case, bigger than this. So this is not nothing for me deal with. So me I go leave you now, and me I go start my investigation and get down to the gritty of this.
Sir, please, me I beg you. If you can help me,
Believe me, man.
you
Put your hand
help
up, so
me.
believe me.
Please,
Put your hand up, so believe me, man.
please, me I beg
Let it
you,
out.
help me, sir. Because me not guilty.
Me believe you, man. Me
I
let it out.
did not kill my husband. Please, help me as quick as possible because in other place are hot. Me have to sleep on the floor.
No, man.
Me not have no sheet. They don't give me no towel,
All
nothing.
right, Miss Candy. I'm going to ensure you get some little extra cucumber. All right, so
Cucumber?
this here again.
No, sir, this is not a joke thing. You see another place here? Me not think you would have love to come in here. Nor anyone in your family them. In your hotty, a real hell this.
Well, after run, you see. But me, as I say, I'll get down to the gritty of this. But as a man, I don't like coming at a woman prison, yeah? As a man.
No, please, me ask if you help me, sir. Please, get back in touch with my sister. Please, me I beg you. Me want to come out. Me never do it. I know me do it. Me not guilty.
All right.
Please, sir. Please help me, please.
Believe.
Yeah.
Believe yourself. Believe. All right? Bushkash.
How are you?
Good evening, good evening.
Evening.
Oh, sorry, pardon me. My name Ranjay. I'm cousin man. Something me and him mother, me fi call him mother auntie.
Ranjay.
Yeah, but I told me just come from fine. I know say I say live, so that's why me come and so.
So you know your story.
Which story? Wait. Where you said to me?
Yes, boss, I ended 1 month ago.
1 month ago. So oh, me auntie never tell me that.
Probably reason I didn't tell you, they can't find anybody. They just presume saying that.
So yeah, what to him again?
Say me and girlfriend though.
Girlfriend. So he just dead and left the house, give.
So if me and girlfriend, and me live here with him and he dead, now must me go get your house, I go get it.
Alright. Well, I'm really come to check still, but I just you alone live there?
Yeah, man.
Alright, take care, yeah?
Alright.
Tell him somebody come look for him.
And yeah, man.
Yo, man, tell us everything I go good, yo. Yo, me done tell you, I'm going in. Say everything I go good. You good?
Man, I make me turn over.
No, I'm gonna do that and I reach now. Eh?
Yeah, Detective Williams. Yeah, man. Inspector Peenwally. You know, send me there out the location where Bush Cash did live. But me here, I come here, go earlier, come check for him, but his girlfriend I tell me say he dead. So me circle back, and me circle back. Me say Bush Cash I come out of the house. And I go, yeah man, him sit there, man. Me there at the
location same, yeah? Alright. I'm gonna take too long, you know. Me there watch him same, man. Me there watch him, man. Alright. Yeah, same place. Hurry up. Yeah.
I live on the park front in the bridge, you know, look at the road, you know. So if everything got a match up with me, you just steal it for me, see?
Yeah, man, everything good, man. Any one of them call you or trouble you, just call my phone right away. Hold on. Inspector Link. What you say? Alright, me know if you find him. I go search him right now. Me know if you find him. Alright. Hello. Morning. Just a minute.
Yes.
You know I'm looking for the boy, Oliver. You have any information on him? He has been creating a lot of problems. Me a look for him.
I know some don't know which part in there.
If you have any information, just feel free to call 311. The pretty baby. Good morning. Alright, police. Just be safe. Don't let me have to lock you up, alright? a joke. You're too young. Alright, so take care now.
Oliver! But you're carrying yourself in a boy.
Yo, me no want to kill you, no. No want to kill you, no.
You know your mother a long time, and I don't want to kill you. Oliver! But you're carrying yourself in a boy. I don't want to kill you. Alright, give me tough chat.
Tough chat. Tough chat.
I must swallow. Boy. Your mother boy ball.
Yes, so. Yeah, man, from me there on the road, see me, man. Me not left until me catch a boy, man. Me not left. Me not even got me here, got beard or nothing. Right now, it's a good thing that me can't want shot on the road. But I'm still fresh, see me. Still fresh, you see me? Me not even want left. Cause the boy, they not kill nobody else, you know. And the boy, me say, boy, lucky, you know, Sarge. Me I tell you, say, me almost bust out in here, you know. Me say, me a crawl on the ground and stay, so Sarge. Not even sleep, me not sleep, Sarge, me I tell you, man. Me I wait, me there, so I wait. I go on now, man, I wait for you, man. Alright. Me call if no info come up. Yeah. Yeah, man. What you gonna, man? Couldn't kill you, you know. I love you, make you live, you know. You understand? You understand? More you love me, make me live. You understand? Make me live. You see me?
Yo, Sarge. Me quit, you know. Yeah, man, me quit, man. Me I send him my resignation letter, man. Me nah make this a little boy take my 3 points. Me quit. So, you know what? We chat little bit. Me nah do it. Me can't do it.